her hand, helping out her lovely land. Oh no, a bottle on the sand. Krabby says, please give a hand. Turtle tummy feeling bad. Tastic made him really sad. Gloves on hands, she cleans the shore. Happy Vin says, feed me more. Animals all clap and cheer. Miniloo, our hero's here. Painting signs for all to see. No more plastic in the sea. Nature's bright, the earth can smile.